the Get Ahead Math program actually does help with the standardized test, and it'll show you some things that the teacher may not teach in class, like a way to do a problem. Instead of having to go this whole long way, it could show you a simpler and easier way to get to the answer of a problem instead of having to go all around and then end up with that simple way like at the end. Some of the students like to yell out the answers, and so like with that it kind of throws off the concentration. But with Get Ahead Math, like people are in their zone, or the students are just in the zone working on what the problem, so it's like quieter and it's easier to get the work done. With the Get Ahead Math program, it's like the tutorial, it's like having a second teacher. If you don't get something, you can replay it over and over and over again until you finally get it, which you can't really do that with the teacher. If I can't have the teacher around, it just kind of helps me, and it gives you like little comments like good work or whatever, even if the teacher in regular class isn't around to say something. Like with Get Ahead Math, like you feel like your teacher is right there saying that, and you're able to do the next problem with enough confidence.